Welcome to my channel, Silver Graphics. In this video I'll be showing you 5 real ways of how to use ChatGPT to generate income as a graphic designer. Looking for new ways to make money as a designer? Stick to the end of this video. Before we dive in, let's take a quick look at ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI technology chatbot that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more, with a chatbot which is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide a detailed response. Here are the 5 real ways you can use ChatGPT as a designer. 1. Text for your design. For example, let's head on to ChatGPT and type wedding wishes. ChatGPT generates tons of text ideas for your wedding card or jotter design, which can be applied to a variety of designs. Two. Portfolio. Most designers get their content from copywriters. For instance, we're trying to sell our designs and we don't have a copywriter. ChatGPT can generate content for your designs. Go to your browser and search for ChatGPT. Type, write a 50-word description for a Fiverr profile, and ChatGPT comes up with creative generated texts. You can simply copy and paste it into your Fiverr description. ChatGPT helps designers by having it generate concept or ideas for Fiverr or Upwork profile. 3. Determining a font. A wrong font can ruin the message. Just imagine if you saw an advertisement of a skincare company which said, "We know all about you" in the Gothic font. Now, the brand might be trying to convey that they know about your skincare problems and that they can solve them with their products. But here, the font changes the entire meaning. Sometimes it is tough to determine what font type should be used in relation to the message. ChatGPT suggests appropriate fonts for the brands. 4. Color scheme. Graphic designers can use colors to evoke various emotions, and to determine what colors would suit the emotions and purpose of the concept they have created. ChatGPT can use theories of color psychology and suggest the appropriate color scheme for your design ideas. For example, type color theme for a fashion design trend. ChatGPT lists different scheme and color choices for the brand. 5. Project and resume. In making graphic design resume for job, ChatGPT structure contents and makes profile description for your resume. This also applies for projects for clients, making contents for your designs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notification.